Okay, so before we go any further, I would like to give you a little bit of a background about Excel. And what we're looking at here right in front of you is Excel 2003. And the reason that I've got Excel 2003 up on the screen is because this was really the first version of Excel that had the more in-depth features that you see in Excel today, like pivot tables, macros, advanced charting functionality, and things like that. And you may find in your office that you might still be using Excel 2003. It was in fact decommissioned by Microsoft this year in 2014, but a lot of companies are still using it. Now, if you compare that to how Excel looks today in 2013, you can see that the central part of the spreadsheet where you enter your data, it looks pretty much exactly the same, but the menu structure has changed significantly. And that's why I've called this course specifically for Excel 2013, because I do believe that, if you're using Excel 2010 or 2007, you may find that there are some subtle differences between specific bits of functionality or where particular buttons are within the software. So there is some great new functionality in Excel 2013, but for the most part, if you're a basic or a beginner user, you're probably not going to come across a lot of that new functionality. For the most part, when you're dealing with just data entry, creating basic charts and formulas, that functionality has stayed pretty much constant throughout all the versions of Excel from 2003 to 2013, but with some subtle differences along the way. Okay, so let's get started and we'll teach you how to use Excel 2013.